In today's short and simple tutorial video, I am going to show you how you can take a screenshot on restricted apps. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So there are a lot of apps that do not allow you to take a screenshot due to security purposes. So in order to take a screenshot on these apps, you need to download this application from the Play Store called Screenshot Touch. Once you have downloaded and installed the application, click on Open. Grant all the necessary permissions that are required to run this application. And once you have granted the permission, minimize this application. And now you will see this camera icon at the middle of your screens. I don't know whether you can see it or not because I'm not sure that my screen recorder is capturing it. So now to take a screenshot on the restricted app, all you have to do is to open that app and click on this camera icon. And once you click on it, your screenshot will be taken. In this way, you can take screenshot on restricted apps. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.